The point of Meatopia is not about eating more meat, it's actually about eating less meat. What we want to do is show people that if you're going to kill an animal, have a respect for it and eat all of it. And these amazing creative chefs we've got here, that's what they do. They show us how you can eat parts of an animal that you didn't think you could eat and make an amazing bit of food out of it. And we've got a chef from Mumbai, we've got a chef from Atlanta this year, we've got chefs from Spain, from Ireland. We've built this community, I guess, around meat and fire. It's ethical meat, it's live fire, you know, this is what we're all about, and so it's quite a big, small family, if you like. It's about taste, it's about flavour, it's about variety of flavours, it's about people doing different things with meat and fire. I feel that Meatopia is almost like a Glastonbury of fire and meat chefs, because some of these people, their restaurants are booked out for a week, and you can come here and you can eat the dish in front of the chef that you admire on Instagram, or you'd never get a chance to get to their restaurant.